CIMC is a multinational group engaged in diversified business across global logistics and energy industries. In these 40 years, CIMC has expanded its businesses from containers to road transportation vehicles, energy and chemical and liquid food equipment, offshore and airport facilities, recycling carriers, logistics services, finance. It has created over 30 world-leading products, from land to sea, from logistics equipment to energy equipment, and from manufacturing to service. CIMC will continue our success story with the spirit of starting a new undertaking, creating champion products to contribute to a better society, building a great grand project to achieve the glorious dream, and striving to become a respected global leading enterprise. CIMC Yangzhou has an important R&D, innovation and manufacturing base of CIMC, relying on the superior geographical location and convenient transportation network to connect with global resources. Established deep strategic partnerships with many well-known domestic and international enterprises. After years of exploration, development, and innovation experience in the container industry, in the new historical period, we strive to take a leading position in the three fields of logistics equipment, containerized integration, and modular buildings. Endow new life to traditional containers. Leader of logistic equipment. In the face of intense market competition, we are dedicated to driving the modernization and digitization of the logistics equipment industry, creating greater value and competitive advantage for customers worldwide. With around 30 years of deeply development in the field of intelligent container manufacturing, CIMC Yangzhou has always adhered to the corporate spirit of constant self-improvement and pursuit of excellence, strictly following international standards and industry norms. Professional design and production of all kinds of standard and special logistics equipment, cold chain equipment, while providing diversified, customized one-stop services to meet the needs of different customers. Casting quality with ingenuity, writing brilliance with strength. CIMC Yangzhou constantly pursues technological innovation and quality improvement, and is committed to using efficient technology and advanced concepts to create a new chapter in the field of logistics equipment. Innovator of containerized integration, CIMC Yangzhou has cooperated with numerous reputed domestic and international enterprises, building highly integrated modular data computing support equipment for intensive data storage and processing scenarios, developing flexible, efficient, and mobile prefabricated e-house for grid end users, creating the world's first revolutionary modular wind turbine nacelle system, providing customized energy storage systems, comply with regional certifications, integrates PCS, BMS, EMS, seismic resistance, temperature control, monitoring, and electrical components, offering photovoltaic inverter systems with leading R&D capabilities and excellent quality reliability. Customized integrating high-performance power generator systems for the global energy industry, and collaboratively developing explosion-proof systems for offshore oil fields, meet industry standards such as DNV 2.7-1 and A60. Forerunner of modular building. As a global leader in modular building design and manufacturing, CIMC Yangzhou aims to promote the transformation and upgrading of containerization and industrial innovation, leading the way into a new era of intelligent and automated modular building manufacturing. We embrace a green and low-carbon development philosophy and boldly innovate in the field of steel structure modular buildings. We provide permanent modular apartment series products with fully independent intellectual property rights to numerous well-known real estate enterprises in Northern Europe. We build plug-and-play, flexible, and environmentally adaptable modular mining camp series products for famous mining groups such as Rio Tinto in Australia, as well as other oil and gas field owners and engineering companies. The project scope covers major mining countries and regions, such as iron ore sites in Western Australia and copper mine sites in Mongolia. In recent years, taking the advantages of factory prefabrication and on-site assembly, these modular building solutions have been widely promoted and applied across domestic public buildings such as airports, schools, and hospitals. Also serviced Qatar World Cup Stadium, Antarctic Research Station, and other international large-scale projects. With the continuous expansion of new businesses, CIMC Yangzhou strives to realize the transformation of traditional manufacturing enterprises towards high-quality development. And the Yangzhou CIMC Intelligent Equipment Industrial Park came into being. The industrial park aims to build a 5 to 10 billion level green factory supported by mature business plus emerging business. It became a diversified and regionalized intelligent manufacturing plus high-end integration comprehensive advanced manufacturing park of CIMC Container Group. The industrial park inherits the development gene of lean manufacturing from CIMC Group over the past years, leading the production revolution of intelligent integration and high-efficiency assembly. It is mainly committed to high-level new energy equipment manufacturing and new industrial modular construction, and deeply cooperate with international authoritative quality inspection organizations to establish a digital quality traceability system and preventive quality control system. CIMC Yangzhou relies on 2 provincial engineering research and technology centers, continuously exploring new boundaries of industry technology and promoting the deep integration of technology and industry. It has won important honors such as the National Specialized and Innovative Little Giant Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, National AA Level Informatization and Industrialization Integration, the 5-Star Cloud Enterprise. During the green manufacturing and low-carbon transformation, it was awarded the title of Jiangsu Green Factory and significantly reduced the power consumption through energy-saving technologies such as air compressor, cloud control, and VOC transformation. With the first container product carbon footprint certification in the country, it set the industry's carbon peak and neutrality benchmark and always practiced the concept of sustainable development. CIMC Yangzhou holds the ISO series certification, which serves as the global welding quality passport, the highest level steel structure certification that unlocks the qualification for European landmark construction projects, the Australia-New Zealand standard certification that breaks through the barriers to regional infrastructure market, the Canadian welding certification that strengthens competitiveness in North American markets, the R-level minister certification, which is the core qualification for Japanese steel structure construction, as well as many other authoritative certifications such as Major Classification Society's factory certification and greenhouse gas emission certification, under the meticulous care and support of all level leaders. With the consistent and sincere cooperation of extensive customers and partners, on the path of striving progress by all the staffs, CIMC Yangzhou will rely on the new built industrial park. Set sail for the second time to start a new journey and realize a new takeoff. Containers change the world. We change the containers.